Hello, this is Lee Thurburn again, and today I'm going to show you how to manage the automated and manual system backup process. So when you're logged into your account, and this is the same account we created in the demo a day or two ago, if you'll go to Admin and then Account, that will take you to a page where you have basically two parts on the page, two columns. The left-hand column is information about you and your account. The right-hand column has backup information, and you'll see that the backup list is shown with a file name and a created date and time. Now, if you want to change the file name because you have a particular reason for wanting to name the backup, just click on this Edit Backup Name button and then give this a name like My First Backup. Okay, call it whatever you want to, and then go ahead and click the button, save it. Now it's named My First Backup. At this point, we now have a backup of the system. So what I want to do is I want to show you how backups occur. First of all, anytime you log out, so I'm going to go ahead and log out of the system, and then I'm going to immediately log back in. And so let's get this come up here, and we'll log back in. And now I'm going to go back to Admin, and then let's go to Admin, go to Account. And you'll notice that there's a new backup. It's an on logout backup. So at this point we have two backups. One that was also done on logout, but I renamed, and the other one that I did just a moment ago that says on logout. Now, if you feel like you're doing some things with the system with your accounting data and you want to make a backup on the spot, just click Make Backup Now. And you'll see that it has a backup that's called Backup User. It means that you, the user, backed up the system at that moment in time. Now, there's something else that you could do, and that is a Reset My Account. Now, especially when you're in the first phase of using the system and as you're learning the system, sometimes it happens that you decide you want to just start over again, because as you learn the system, maybe you decide you want to change some of your accounts or whatever. So go ahead and click, if you want to do this, click Reset My Account, and it'll ask, are you sure? This basically is telling you that we're going to, or you're about to, delete all of the data that you've got in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And it's going to remind you before you proceed that it'll be that your data has been removed, and you go ahead and click OK. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you under Reports, Income Statement, and we're going to go ahead and filter and choose the year of 2023, so January 1 through December 31. Let's go choose a date and then change the year to 2023. We're going to apply our filter, and you're going to see that there's zero information. So we have completely deleted or eliminated all of the information in the system. It is backed up before we did that. So let's show you the backup restore process. So I'm going to go back to Account, and I'm going to choose, it doesn't really matter which one of these because these are all exactly identical. You have three buttons over on the right: Restore Backup, Download. This is where you can download the file and put it on your personal computer, your laptop, whatever. Or you could delete the file. So I'm going to go ahead and click Restore Backup. Are you sure? So this basically is saying that if you have any data that you've entered, that's going to be deleted as the system puts the data from the backup back in the system. Okay, so now we can go back over to Reports. We can go to Income Statement. We're going to choose exactly the same range, January 1, 2023 through December 31, 2023. And now we're going to apply the filter, and you'll notice that the data is all back. So that is how the backup system works. Again, every time you log out, there's an automatic backup created. Whenever you want to, you can manually create a backup, and you can restore the system at any point in time. Now we have 3 backups that are all identical. I'm going to go ahead and delete a backup. So that only deletes that one backup. I'll delete another one. That deletes that one backup. If I delete our current backups, now we don't have any backups of the system. So if I want to make a backup, I just go ahead again, click Make Backup Now, and now we have a backup of the system. So I hope that shows you and provides you with some comfort that your data is 100% secure. You can save the backup, download it to your personal computer, or just leave them on the system. Now, we keep backups on the system for 30 days. Any backups that are on the system that are 30 days old or older will be automatically removed by the system just to manage storage. So if you want to keep a history longer than 30 days, then be sure and download and store them on your computer. Thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks.